Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today's at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan battery. We are using a 10mm socket to take off the negative and positive terminal off this battery. You can use a 10mm socket or a wrench, but for this demonstration we are using a 10mm socket with a long extension. And this battery has two screws you got to unscrew on each post. What you want to do first, you want to take off the negative post first, which is notated as the ground. Okay, we got to hit that other. There you go. There you go. All right, so now we're going to use the 10mm to take off the positive terminal nets. Okay, what you would do next, you would need a 12 or a 13mm socket to take off the battery bracket located right there in the center of this battery. Okay, and this video right here, that bolt is a 13mm, so we are using a 13mm socket with a long extension. And that wrench is very long, so I don't know why they use a 3 or 4 inch screw to bolt down a battery. I don't know, but they do though. It's from the manufacturer itself. So you see, we're taking a long time just to get out this long bolt of this battery bracket. So just keep turning center clockwise until you keep loosening until you get that bolt out. And today Brian is our master installer here at Battery Guys. And this is your first time visiting the channel, and we are adding value to you, please do us a favor and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also to hit that notification bell, because we do upload numerous videos throughout the week of different makes and model of vehicles that we install. Not only cars, but we also we do golf carts and we do other things as well that be very interesting on this channel. It's a tight squeeze. Make sure to take your time to get that bolt out. Okay, I think we got it. You'll be able to look up on the battery and it should come straight up. Alright, now we're inserting the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle. If you're in need for a battery, please hop over to our website at batteryguyswithaz.com and get yourself a battery delivered directly to your house. Free shipping, half the cost, earth friendly, the world's best. What we're doing now is we actually tighten that bolt back down into the center of this bracket. We're going to use our long extension with the 13mm attached to it and tighten up this bolt. If you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comment section, and we will definitely respond back to your comment as well. And we definitely appreciate you for stopping by the channel and checking us out. And we'd like to thank all our new subscribers as well for subscribing to the channel. Okay, you see it has a long bolt, so just keep turning center clockwise until it tightens up. Alright, now what we're going to do now is we're going to get that, we're going to put the 10mm socket back on, and we're going to install the positive terminal first. Then we're going to put the negative terminal on. Then we're going to tighten down these bolts on the positive terminal first, and then we're going to switch over to the negative terminal and tighten those down those screws as well. But this is how you install a battery for a 2019 Dodge Caravan. I'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel. Voila, that's it. Thank you.